What do you do when a woman makes eye contact with you? Most guys might feel a bit awkward and either look away or stare back, which can make things uncomfortable. But fear not. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tried and tested techniques to handle those moments when a girl looks your way. Throughout this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step sequence to master the art of responding when a girl catches your eye. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Don't look at her eyes. It might sound a bit strange, but trust me, there's science behind it. In a study conducted in Australia, researchers found that maintaining eye contact with someone's ear instead of their eyes didn't make a difference in how the person perceived the interaction. So, the next time a girl looks at you, try focusing on her ear instead of her eyes. It'll help you stay comfortable and maintain eye contact without feeling awkward. But before we continue with this video, let's take a quick pause. Go ahead and look down your screen right now and click that little like button. Don't worry, I'll wait right here for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support means a lot to us and it helps our channel grow. So go ahead, hit that like button. All done? Great, let's get back to the video. Step 2. Give her a sardonic smile. If she continues to look at you, it's a good sign of interest. Now it's time to respond with a playful smile. But remember, less is more when it comes to smiling. A sardonic smile, which is cheeky and playful, is more attractive than a big toothy grin. So keep it subtle and watch her reaction. Step 3. Give her the right head nod. Believe it or not, the way you nod your head can make a big difference. A downward nod can make you appear closed off, while an upward nod makes you look open and friendly. So, next time you make eye contact with her, give her an upward nod to show that you're approachable and friendly. Step 4. Make her look up to you. If you've reached this point and she's still showing interest, it's time to make a physical impression. There are 2 tricks you can use: keeping your chin slightly raised to appear taller, and using the invisible string technique to maintain good posture. These subtle cues will make her physically look up to you, creating a sense of attraction and intrigue. Step 5. Ask for a different girl's phone. This might sound counterintuitive, but trust me, it works. By casually interacting with another girl nearby and asking to borrow her phone, you'll make the girl you're interested in feel a twinge of jealousy. It's a subtle way to pique her interest and make her see you in a different light. Step 6. Use the ring technique. This is a playful way to flirt with her from afar and gauge her interest before approaching her. Simply point to your ring finger with a slight raise of your eyebrows to signal that you're asking if she's in a relationship. Her response will give you a clear indication of whether she's open to conversation. Step 7. Approach her with swagger. Finally, when it's time to make your move, walk towards her with confidence and swagger. Research has shown that walking with shoulder swagger can significantly increase your attractiveness. So tense those lats and strut as you approach her. And there you have it. The next time a girl looks at you, you'll know exactly how to respond with confidence and charm. So, go ahead and give these techniques a try. Who knows? You might just catch her eye in more ways than one. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these techniques helpful and are excited to try them out in your own interactions. Remember, confidence and charm go a long way when it comes to catching someone's eye. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on building better connections. Until next time, happy flirting.